So this is actually kind of interesting. We're rolling this steel sheet right now. So this was flat just a few minutes ago. And it's interesting because we're using the crane above simultaneously, and we have it hooked in to the steel on the bottom, and that's helping to support it. So we're actually, because the sheet is so long that when it goes through, and it's all the way on one, say on this one edge, and that's at the bottom, then it's so heavy that it actually bends down, and that causes a problem. So you can see they're connecting it right here, right now, and as it goes through, they just lift it or lower it as needed by the overhead crane, and that helps to support it so it doesn't bend like that. So it's actually going to make our welding process a lot easier, a lot better. So, the guys are getting better, and the guys are getting smarter, and we're figuring out how to do this better and better all the time. There you go. You can see it's coming up here, and they're raising this to support it. Very good, very good. Because otherwise, see how it's all the way on one end now? This gets very, very heavy, so it can actually fall down, and then you get these weird bends that you have to fix in the steel. So this is pretty cool. Okay, so here we have the machine that this is the control computer for the bending rolling machine, and here is the remote for the overhead crane above us. So it's a good synchronization that they have to do between the two to make sure that everything just flows really well.